Have you ever come across an animal that can completely transform itself, almost like magic? Welcome to the mesmerizing world of chameleons, the true masters of illusion. These mesmerizing creatures are not just masters of changing colors, but they are also the true champions of illusion in the animal kingdom. Chameleons possess specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which allow them to change color. Each type of chameleon has at least several basic colors ranging from dark green, light green, yellow, red, orange, brown, gray, pink, and even purple. Some species even have a combination of several of these colors. This makes chameleons one of the most colorful groups of lizards in the world. By adjusting the pigments in the cells, chameleons can perfectly match the colors and patterns of their environment. This incredible adaptation makes them nearly invisible to predators and potential prey. It's like having a built-in invisible cloak. But how do chameleons perform this magical transformation? The secret lies in specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can expand or contract to reveal different colors. Through a complex interplay of these cells, chameleons are able to create the stunning array of hues. Watching a chameleon change color in slow motion is like witnessing a living work of art. Their ability to blend in with their surroundings or stand out to attract a mate is a truly sight to behold. Chameleons' color-changing abilities have evolved over millions of years to help them survive in their natural habitats. By blending in with their surroundings, they can avoid predators and effectively hunt for prey. But camouflage is not the only reason chameleons change colors. They also use their vibrant displays to communicate with other chameleons. Bright colors can signal aggression or dominance, while more subdued colors may indicate submission or a desire to mate. Not only does chameleon camouflage help them survive, but it also plays a role in regulating their body temperature. When they want to warm up, chameleons can darken their skin to absorb more heat from the sun. And if they need to cool down, they can lighten their skin to reflect sunlight. But chameleons' illusions go beyond just changing colors. Did you know that they also have unique ability to move each eye independently, allowing them to have a 360-degree view of their surroundings? This incredible adaptation gave chameleons a strategic advantage in detecting potential traps and stalking their prey with unparalleled ability to spot prey or predators from any direction. It's like having built-in surveillance cameras on their heads. Chameleons are found in a variety of habitats. From rainforest to desert. Each species has its own unique set of colors and patterns, perfectly suited to each environment. Some chameleons even have the ability to mimic the colors of specific objects, such as leaves or flowers. In conclusion, chameleon camouflage is a fascinating adaptation that allows these incredible creatures to thrive in their environments. Their ability to blend in, communicate, and regulate their body temperature truly make them masters of illusion. Remember, the true magic of nature lies in the incredible creatures that inhabit it. Join us on this mesmerizing journey through the realm of chameleons, where illusion meets reality in the most captivating way. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos on the wonders of the animal kingdom. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more awe-inspiring adventures.